Okay, our course name is the D365 FNO. FNO is nothing but finance and operations. Okay, this is our course name. Actually, what is the Dynamics 365 FNO? Do you have any idea, guys, before coming to this class?
No, sir. Nothing about it.
Okay, yeah, fine. Actually, this is a ERP. ERP is in the full form is the Enterprise Resource Planning. Okay, what is the difference between the normal softwares and ERP? There is a huge differences are there, guys. What are the huge differences? Let's say example, suppose I want to start a one business using uh, present technologies. Like I want to maintain some school management system. Okay, what are the things are here is involved? Just don't think about the software. No, without the software, what are the things is required to start a one school? First, we required faculty, right? Correct, guys. Faculty is required and administration is required. Correct. Any other things to process the salaries? We required a bank also is required. Correct. And to recruit the faculty, so we required one HR also, who are that having the good knowledge of the subject. We can conduct the interviews, then we can recruit it. Correct. And after that, books, we can sold the books and clothes, materials, all those things in the schools nowadays. So to develop these all things into a software, it will take time. Correct. You can take any business, not in the schools, or suppose you can take the one factory. Okay. In factory also, what are the things is required? In factory also, you can recruit the employees. For HR is required, and customers also is required because we can sell our goods, and vendors also is required because we can purchase the raw materials from the vendors, and finance also main important to process the salaries and profit and loss. You can check it, and we need a warehouse also. Correct, to store that the items in the warehouse. And what is the product information related also is required, and what are the items we are producing, what is the size, and those things also is required. Correct. And what are the other things are involved here? Payroll. Correct. Guys, are you following with me?
Yes, sir.
So these are the things are involved to start a suppose school management system. Then this is a factory. These are the involved things, and these knowledge we can provide to that anyone developer or company. Then based on that, they can develop a one website. So it may take time, but coming to that our Dynamics 365, the first day onwards, when first day onwards, we can operate this business. Okay, no need to implement it. Okay, first day onwards, we are going to be operate this one. Then you can ask me, but why we required technical consultants? Okay, as I told, the first day onwards we can operate, but what is the percentage we can operate? Okay, sometimes it will suitable for that 80 percentage, sometimes it's suitable for 60 percentage, sometimes it's suitable for only 20 percentage. Sometimes the client is lucky it is suitable for the 100 percentages. Okay. What are the remaining things? Here 20% and here 40% and here 80% gaps are there. Correct. So the first day onwards, the ERP is useful for that 80 percentage, but what is the remaining gap? Okay, these type of situations we are going to with that customizations. That's why we required, okay, to do that customizations and fulfill the gap standard product and the customer requirement, and what is the gap we can analyze it, that analyzation through coding or through customizations we are going to be filling it. Okay, guys, understand now why the ERP is required, why we are required now.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So how we are going to do the customization? So before going to the customization, we need to talk about that function consultant also. Okay, actually we are technical consultant. Okay, the function consultant, what they will do actually. So function consultant actually they are the point of contact to that client and our technical consultant. This guy is a function consultant. Let's example, sorry. This guy is a client. Okay. And this is the function consultant. And this guy is the technical consultant. Technical consultant. And this guy is the function consultant. Okay, this function consultant, what will do before starting to the project, he will go to that client and get the requirements. Okay, because this person having that good knowledge about the standard product means Dynamics 365 F&O product, he have the good knowledge and he will go to that customer place and understand that customer business and what it is missing in the standard product to fulfill with the customer business to operate customer to operate his business enter our ERP. So what it is missing, and he can make a note and place into that one document called FDD. Okay, this FDD called functional design document. Okay, what are the things are missing? What we are going to be implement and fulfill the customer requirement. This entire process, okay, identifying that entire process, we can call it as a gap analysis. So this entire process we can call it as a gap analysis. Once these functional design documents are approved by client, means these functional consultants will go to and prepare the one document. See, Mr. Client, these are the things are missing. So we are going to be customizing the product as per your business requirement. And I have mentioned these things into the document. Please review it. And if it is okay, means if a customer is approved, then the picture will come to that technical, because FDDs are ready, requirements are ready. These FDDs share to that technical consultant, and technical consultant also is preparing a one document called technical design document. Okay, technical design document. What it contains this technical design document? So how many forms we are going to be modifying, how many tables we are going to be modifying, what are the new fields we are going to be added, what are the something hiding or adding extra buttons, everything is mentioned here clearly in the technical. Once this technical document is approved, then we'll start writing the code. Our code language is the H++. Okay, we are writing the code in the H++.
Sir.
This, sorry, hello,
No, sir. Just
no, no.
says
Oh, okay, 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 fine, fine. So we are writing the code called H++. Through H++, we are fulfilling the our enter client requirement. So this is the process, guys. In real time, we are doing the exactly before starting the project. The function consultant will approach the client, and he prepared that FTD based on that client requirements and what are the missing things or what we are going to be implementing or customization. He can put into the document called FTD. Once these are all ready, then it will go to that technical design. Once if it is approved, then we can go with that through customization, where we are going to be doing the customization. We are writing the IDE, that IDE called Visual Studio IDE. Okay, Visual Studio. What is the IDE? Integrated Development Environment. Visual Studio. In Visual Studio, we are writing the code called H++. Till now, clear, guys?
yes, sir.
Yeah,
Yes,
yeah.
sir.
Yeah. Now
Visual
we'll
Studio is
direct.
a environment, sir.
Yeah, Visual Studio.
Is a environment, sir.
Yeah, yeah. Environment.
Okay.
Visual Studio is a coding editor. Actually, here we are writing the coding.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Now I'll show to that our environment. Guys, are you able to see my Google Chrome, my environment? Hello, are you able to see my screen?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So this is the front end, guys. Okay. The client is operating his business from here. Okay. This is called dashboard. Okay. Bank management, customer invoicing, maintenance request. This is called dashboard. Okay. And the modules,
Okay.
we are talking about the modules. See here, we are talking about that accounts payable module. If you go to accounts payable, related information is there. See, all vendors, purchase orders, information is there. Suppose if you want to purchase some goods, then we can raise a one purchase request. Same like if you want to purchase anything into that social media, that means it's a e website, e-courts, right? Amazon, Flipkart, like this, we can purchase the one sold goods like this. Same thing is there. Okay, all purchase orders and the payment information, invoices, lot of things are there. Account receivables. Account receivables is talk about the customers and sales orders. Okay, the important things, expense management. What are the expenses is related? Fixed assets. Okay, general ledger is related to finance. Human resource to recruit that employees or contracts or workers. What are the past workers, pending was related one. Inventory management. Okay, this is inventory related information. Payroll, like this, all modules are ready. This is called a standard product. So first day onwards we can use this product. And what are the things we are going to be customizing, missing things in the customer side, then we are going to be do the customization. How we are going to be do the customization? Let's say example, I'm giving the small example. Let's say I'm opening the all vendors menu item.
Sir.
If vendors form is open, now I can see that what are the vendors are available here. Vendor account, name, vendor on hold, phone, their extension, primary contact group. Okay, so sometimes I need that vendor primary address is missing. Suppose if I go to here I can able to see the vendor primary address, but vendor email ID is not there here. So if the email ID is not there, just 1 minute. uh, yeah, suppose let's say example here vendor email ID is not there. So my customer is asking, okay, Mr. Amar, here email ID is not there. I need the add that this email ID. So that time we are going to be customize this product. We can add the email ID here. Okay, here I can write that email. Then vendor email ID is going to be printing. Where it is available, we need to get the things mapping. Which table it's available, so we can write it to get that email ID and placed into that here. Okay, then also he can able to see that email ID. So this is what we are going to be do the customization. This is very simple customization, guys. Sometimes we need to implement a one button here. Okay, when I click on submit, then here the selecting the vendor account. When I click on the submit, so these vendors, what are the pending invoices? Means suppose he raised 100 invoices, he paid only for that 70 invoices, 30 invoices are he is not paid. So something is partially paid. So those what are the pending invoice amount? We can get that information. So these type of customizations we are going to do. Clear, guys, till now?
Yes.
Sir, actually my screen card stuck, sir.
Yeah, could you please rejoin?
Okay, 1 minute.
Yeah,
No,
yeah, Manoj.
sir, customization implementation is the same thing, sir, or not?
No, no, no. Customization, implementation, both are different. Okay.
Both are different. Okay.
Yeah, both are different.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Why both are different? Customization is nothing but already existing one
Okay.
form. Okay, already existing form, two fields are
Okay.
there. You are going to add that third field. That is called customization. Okay, in existing form, you are
Okay.
going to add the extra features. But
Extra feature. Okay.
implementation is nothing but that entire form is not available or that entire report is not available. So based on the customer requirement, you are going to be open that new form or new report, new table, like that.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Understood. అర్థమైంది సార్.
Guys, everyone clear, right? Hmm? Okay. So guys, that is about the demo and Visual Studio. Here we are writing the code. See, open your Visual Studio in the administrator mode. See, here we need to see that admin mode. Always please open your Visual Studio in the administrator mode only. Okay. Then going to that application explorer. See here in that menus, what are the modules we have seen? Accounts payable, account receivable, admin dashboard, asset list. Okay, these menus all are available here. If you want to change anything, you come to that Visual Studio and which part you need to modify it, just modify it and deploy it. Then automatically changes will appear into that here. Okay. And what is our coding technology, guys? H plus plus. Okay. H plus plus is our coding language. Okay. This is about the demo, guys. Do you have any questions? First class. And the timings and thing we can discuss. Yeah. Someone is talking.
Hello.
Any question? Yeah. Yeah.
So, actually, I missed that.
Sir, AI,
Sorry.
Okay. Actually, I missed that how to create an email for a vendor, sir. My screen got stuck now.
Okay, okay. I just given that like this. Okay, suppose if you want to create a email, then the thing I'm not sure. Just I'm giving the example here. He can write that email. Okay, and we can able to write this. But in the further classes, we are going to be customize this form through coding. Okay, but no worries.
Okay.
I will share the recording once that this session is completed. You can get from
So,
that who are invited you in this meeting. Please ask them for that recordings. Okay. Yeah. So daily 1 hour session, guys.
so
Hmm?
so we not audible, sir.
Hello. Is everyone facing the same issue? Am I audible?
yes, you
Hello.
are audible.
Yeah. Manoj, maybe your end, please check the network. Okay. Okay, it's a daily 1 hour session and we'll provide that soft copy of materials and 100 plus examples means is questions or tasks, lifetime videos, view access. You can get it, view access and resume preparation. Additionally, we are giving that knowledge on Azure DevOps and LCS, Lifecycle Services, and TFS, version control system. Guys, these three things no one will tell because of Azure DevOps. Why it is linked with that our course Dynamics 365? But there is no link. But once you are enter into that real time, you are interacting with that LCS, TFS, Azure DevOps. You will get that your tasks using the Azure DevOps only. But how to link this one? And LCS is a deployment's purpose, and version control system is that to compare the code and to bring back the code backups, checking the version history, things is there. Once you are entering to the real time world, the very first time your manager is saying, okay, I'm assigning one task to that Azure DevOps, please go and check your task. Okay, suppose you are good at programming, but you should know about it, how or where your work is assigned. That's the reason these three things also I'm involving in the sessions, our sessions. Okay, daily 1 hour session. Total it's a 45 hours, guys. Okay, 45 hours of registration, and we have a sessions from Monday to Saturday, and we have a virtual lab on Saturday. What is the virtual lab? What are the classes are completed from Monday to Friday? Suppose you are facing the issues while doing the lab or any question. Let's say example, suppose now we are running the 20th session. You are getting the doubt in the third session. No issues. In Saturday, you can ask, okay, Mr. Amar, I'm facing the issue. Okay, so you can share your screen in that meeting itself. We can solve that error. If no one having any questions, then we'll start the class on Saturday also. Okay, sometimes it's a based on the majority of the people, guys. Okay, because few of the folks are working, or few of the folks are going traveling somewhere else in the Saturdays. So if they don't, if they are not joining the class based on that majority, then we'll start the session on Saturday. Okay, and Sunday is a holiday. If you required, then we'll connect to Sunday also. Any questions, guys?
No, sir.
Yes,